was the most amazing experience. Like, incredible. We are just leaving the fabulous Oysterhaven and now heading into the west. So it has been incredible and it is such a beautiful day. So blessed.
Beautiful Charles Fort. As we head into Kinsale. We pulled in for a few minutes so we could get some fuel and top up our water tanks before heading away. The stunning Cork coast as we leave Kinsale.
You have the light, I see it in your eyes. You know the way, take me, show me the way that I may follow you, and you will know. And we will dance the dolphins, water in the sky, and they belong in the sky, and they belong in the sky like you and I, like you and I. And we will dance with the dolphins, water in the sky, and they belong in the sky, and they belong in the sky, like you and I. And no, don't let them die. And no, don't let them die. Water in the sky, water in the sky, water in the sky. Ishka rising, Ishka rising, Ishka rising. And touch me with your long flowing hair. A wish is faintly sparkle in my tears, and babe, before you go, I wanna let you know you are beautiful. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. And we will dance with the dolphins, water in the sky, and they belong in the sky, and they belong in the sky, like you and I. And no, don't let them die. And no, don't let them die. And no, Ich gereise, ich gereise.
Is such a surreal moment for me. Having grown up in southwest Kerry, the Skellig has always been this magical, historical place for me. Having visited as a kid, I immediately knew that this place was really, really special. I couldn't put it into words, that feeling or that sense at the time when I was a kid, and even now it's actually really difficult to capture the essence or the magic or that the feel of this incredible place. It was a place as a kid that I dreamt about and yearned to be. So to be here today, sailing around it, feeling this peace and tranquility, it is just pure magic and pure freedom, and that huge connection to the sea and the earth and the dolphins and just the universe in general. It really is that sense and that feeling of like we are one. And the Skellig is just like this place of magnitude, isolation. I can imagine the struggles that the monks had when they lived here, building the monasteries and the beehives and the steps, like centuries and centuries ago. And it is like once you land there or once you're in the vicinity, there is this serenity that just comes across, and you can feel to each part of your being. But there is also that sense of that brutality. You know, it is this rugged, unforgiving rock in some ways in the just off the coast of Kerry in the Atlantic. But there is also this sense of like this strength and resilience and courage. So much is captured in this moment. It is, and this is the word, surreal. Like this rock has stood here for centuries, withstanding the pounding of the Atlantic Ocean. And I remember our last visit out there last year, where we landed, and one of the OPW staff were describing their months where they were actually stay out on the island during the summer period, and that at times they would have to maybe stay in their hut because of the weather, and describing that, like feeling the vibration and everything vibrating in their little hut, not being able to go outside, as the Atlantic is pounding the island. And yet she goes back every year, and like that is the incredible bit about this place. There is like such a draw to it that it is just so phenomenal. So if you were ever lucky enough to experience this magical place with the inquisitive, cutest puffins and experiencing the beehive huts that were built by the monks, I just hope that as you walk the 618 steps to the monastery, to be mindful of every step of this incredibly beautiful island, but be mindful of those steps so then this essence and that inner beauty of this island will reveal itself with every step that you take there. It is an out of this world experience, and I know how incredibly blessed that we are to have experienced it on so many occasions, and to sail past it now is just phenomenal. So let's all protect our heritage and protect our oceans, and yeah.
Coming in past Dola's Head, we prepare to navigate up the Furta River towards Cahersiveen.
And then we phoned Mother to tell her that we were sailing home to see her.
So it was just so fabulous to see her at the marina waving her little handkerchief with my sister and nieces. It was such an amazing day.